Okay.
Was it open or what?
Yeah.
That's so hard if you still.
Oh shit.
That's it?
Oh, it exploded last time.
Wait, keep it open.
Hi, Alex.
How long will it burn for?
Hmm?
Should I cut it out?
What's in there?
Just
Gas.
methane, I think.
Okay, I'll do it.
Oh, my face! Did I take a video of that?
I think I did. Maybe.
Blow onto it.
Hey man, don't fucking throw it on me.
Ready?
Okay. No. Okay.
Can I have chocolate now?
Jesus Christ, it smells like that floor.
Whoa, dude. It's really sick.
I take this away.
Now move.
Blow into it.